My baby is snoring. He's thinking of little chickens. Chicken. You thinking of little girlies? Hmm? Hmm? Chicken. You snoring, my baby? Why you snoring? Hmm?